school. My first video. Could be interesting. This is going to be a quick guide to using CCleaner, which is one of the essential PC cleanup tools. It's great for clearing temporary files, for clearing registry entries that are no longer required or invalid, and it generally helps keep your PC in a good space and speed it up a little bit. If you need some help with that, why not watch the video? So CCleaner, as I've shown you on this web page here, it confirms pretty much what I'm saying there. Utility used to clean potentially unwanted files, invalid Windows registry entries from the computer. It's long established, made by Piriform. It's been running for quite some time now, as you'll see from their website. It's quite simple to download. You can just sit on here and just click free download. Be careful when you do it, because it will try and get you to sign up for paid versions of it, which offer slightly different features. If there's something that you might be interested in, then feel free to do that. We have no association to CCleaner or Piriform in any way. We just use this software regularly just to keep a track on the PC and make sure it's running smoothly. So on here on my desktop, you'll see I've got various different things that I use to protect my computer from malware and other things, antivirus, and then CCleaner, which to me is one of the most essential tools. So I'll show you how you run it. It's really quick and easy. So you just double click on here and CCleaner will load up. It will automatically tell you if it needs an update down here in the check updates section. And then there's various options down the side. Health check is the one I usually use first. If you wanted to do a scan yourself, you can select custom clean, pick what things you'd like it to check, whereas we find that the health check's generally sufficient for you to run. And there's also a registry cleaner there. So one thing is the health check, second thing is registry cleaner, and down here obviously upgrades and upgrades here if necessary. So let's start off with the health check. So on here you can either click next and it will tell you what it's going to do. So loads of people use it to make sure it's in good shape. Boost performance, improve security, maintain privacy, and get more disk space. Can also be handy if you're filling up the limits on your drives. So click start health check. It will close any programs it needs to close, and then it will run through a scan really quickly, as you can see now from the bottom, and it tells you how many privacy trackers, how much junk you've got, and if there's any other things. These obviously are the pro version you have to pay for, but by clearing these and these, this will improve anyway. So something to think about if you want. So it tells you with a little face that your PC is a little bit under the weather. These trackers and things, there'll be cookies and stuff like that. So when you visit web pages, it will hold a reference that you've been on that page. Some will have more than others, and this will clear them for you, some of the ones that you don't need. So as simple as that. It's removed all the trackers, removed all the junk, and that's looking quite rosy on the screen there for your health check. So the second option, as I said, if you come down to registry, this will scan all these different destinations and folders throughout your system. If you click scan for issues, it will tell you if there's any problems. Usually if you upgrade, so you do a Windows update or something like that, and it will change the software, some of these old registry entries will no longer be valid, so they just clog up your registry and slow down the PC basically. So as you can see from this, there's only a few. When you first run it, you probably get 200 or something silly because you haven't run it before, but this will show you all of them here. You can review them then if you wish to. Back up your registry, you can. I've never done it and I've never had any problems, but if something did happen, if you backed it up, you could always revert back to that backup, assuming that the backup works fine. So do I want to back it up? I don't. And then it will allow me to fix either each individual issue, or you can fix all the selected. Select all, that's how quickly it's fixed. Closed. Now it's no more issues found. I've got a happy health check, and that is how you use CCleaner for free. Next time you come to use it, see how you get on. If you want to post some comments and let us know how that worked for you, if you've got any questions, how to download it, or any of the other things, how to run it, please do feel free to give us a message. We'll see what we can do for you. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much.